jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making one of my mom's recipes, and it's a family favorite. It's called runner stew. So you guys over on Instagram are pretty familiar with this. I make it all the time, and the response every time I post it has always been great. You guys want to know how to make this. So it's one of my favorite recipes, and it's great around the holidays when you're busy and everything, but you want to whip up something quick and easy. And this recipe is great for that because not only is it easy to make, it's also very healthy for you and very filling. And it's one of those it's like comfort food. So it's really cozy and warm. And like I said, it makes you feel full all day. So that's the reason why we call it runner stew, is because of the beans and the fiber and the protein and everything. Just really helps fuel your day. And if you're a runner like my mom, or you do any type of intense workout, this is a great recipe. So I'll be listing all of the ingredients down below, as well as the step-by-step process on how to make this. Otherwise, enjoy the music and keep watching.
Day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a nice back rub, then he massaged my feet. On the 6th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a crop jacket with dirty denim jeans. On the 5th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me the point that he wrote for me. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Oh. It feels lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? Feels so lovely. Doesn't it feel like Christmas? It's really Christmas. Yes,